This is Michael Crop from Ernakulam district and I want to say it that one. क्या हो गया?
क्या किसको क्या हो गया भाई?
मोहम्मद से करता हूँ सॉरी यार. मैं इतना फनी हूँ ना मुझे खुद पे हंसी आती है.
मेरा गला बहुत दर्द दे रहा है, प्लीज मत हंसाना मुझे.
हाँ
चलो वापस.
This is Michael Crop from Ernakulam district and I want to say it that one. क्या हो गया जॉर्ज रसल? वापस में तेरा गोटी में पानी जम गया. You're officially the number 2 driver of Mercedes now because you are also doing number 2 in your car. But what an interesting race guys, like one of those Monaco races जहाँ पे 2-3 ड्राइवर्स के तो FIA ने लौड़े लगा दिए. बोले भाई ड्राइव थ्रू पेनल्टी, गोटी थ्रू पेनल्टी, मैं मतलब जॉर्ज रसल
थ्रू पेनल्टी के ऊपर पेनल्टी.
गैसली अगर है तो वॉशरूम में ना 5 सेकंड ज्यादा भी है ना तो पेनल्टी लगा रहे उसके ऊपर.
You all know the surprising part, who didn't get a penalty?
Yeah.
Ocon.
Yeah, of all people, Ocon didn't get penalties.
So with me is very सुंदर looking Govind
यार बहुत गंदा हेयर कट है मेरा, अभी मत बोले.
and
अरे
the person who is reference to भीगी भीगी रातों में फिर से आओ ना, that is Vivian Castellino.
Wow.
And कांदिवली वेस्ट का दुलकर सलमान, यश परसे, come on. And I am Siddharth
Oh,
Shetty
man.
and I am plain vanilla personality.
ये छाती का बाल
ये साला इतना humble बनता है ना.
ये सब
Of course, I'm committed to this pod, guys. This is the only thing that I'm excited about. Why are you hitting me, Govind?
I just wanted you to shut up for a
I'm also
second.
someone's daughter, dude. Okay.
Sorry.
But तुम लोग कैसा लगा मोनाको जीपी?
भाई मेरे को एज अ सॉरी दुलकर बोलना भाई.
दुलकर
हाँ दुलकर आना.
I'll tell you
For a
what all-
Monaco
I'll-
GP,
Yeah.
this
It was very
good.
fun.
It was
Yeah,
very
this was
fun.
good. For a Monaco GP, this was good. For a race, if I just compare it to any other race,
इट्स मोनाको.
It's Monaco. तो कुछ ज्यादा तो था नहीं. Race wise तो कुछ था नहीं. जो भी ओवरटेक कर रहा था ठोक रहा था. तो बस
Yeah.
अब क्या.
It was just like 40% racing, 60% bureaucracy. The things that happened: Max, Lando, Charles, Carlos, Behrman, Stroll, Bottas, DNF. There was 7 fucking DNFs. Piastri, Gasly, Hamilton, Colapinto, Russell, Hülkenberg. 5-second penalty
Drive
for all.
through. Sorry,
Gasly got 5+5
Yeah.
and Hülkenberg got 10.
Yeah.
Hajar, Sainz and Perez were under investigation, but everything got cleared. Anyway.
Yeah. सबको
Wow.
पेनल्टी भाई
और
पेनल्टी पे
हजार का इन्वेस्टिगेशन मालूम है क्या?
Perez also got a
रुक जाए.
penalty.
सॉरी
Yeah.
गाइस आ गया. बोल.
नहीं हजार का इन्वेस्टिगेशन क्या था कि रेस चालू हो रहा था ना, उसके पहले हेजर बोलता है कि एंथनी हैमिल्टन के रूम के बाहर निकला और तब बेल्ट एडजस्ट कर रहा था. तो वो इन्वेस्टिगेशन
अच्छा, वो था investigation, ठीक है.
जो एक्स्ट्रा एनर्जी उसको मिलता है,
हाँ
जो
किससे.
प्रोत्साहन मिलता है,
हार्वेस्ट किधर से हो रहा है उसका एनर्जी.
हाँ.
तो उधर से आ रहा है वो सब.
अच्छा सही है.
हेजर को वो मिला है और गैसली का तो मेरे को बहुत बुरा लग रहा है. मेरा फेवरेट ड्राइवर है वो. उसका जो कर रहे हो ना तुम लोग गलत कर रहे हो. FIA
This was like the most saddening post-race interview I saw of Gasly.
Yeah.
Where he was like, you could see from his face कि इतने में रह गया.
सोचना भाई 7 ड्राइवर गए फिर भी गांड लग गई तेरी उसके बाद.
Sorry,
Yeah,
यार,
dude. Like
बेचारा.
imagine 7. Like and again for Alpine is now doing better, but for all these years थोड़ा पीछे ही थे. And every back marker is wondering कि एक रेस हो जहाँ पे ऐसे आधा ग्रिड DNF
वही.
हो और मेरा कुछ तो आगे आ जाए. And
But हुआ ना सबसे बेस्ट चीज हुआ कल. Aston Martin got 1 point through Fernando Alonso.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dude, I was honestly I wanted Cadillac to get that point. क्योंकि that would have been great.
dude, this
I
race
mean, I
has so
feel-
much back and forth. If we talk about Alonso's point, we cannot not talk about the fact that Perez had 2 false start in one race.
Yeah.
मतलब I was reading this article where Cadillac issued a statement saying कि basically उसका clutch थोड़ा soft था I think, तो वो clutch या brake soft था, so it couldn't stop. So when he was stopping also he was moving a little ahead, but it's too funny that he
मेरा
has
i20 भी यही
two.
करता था. मैं मजाक भी नहीं कर रहा. मेरा i20 भी यही करता था. ब्रेक लगा रहा हूँ धीरे धीरे बंद होता था वो.
But imagine dude, I don't even know if it's मतलब apart from the fact last time ये कब हुआ where one driver got 2 false start in one race.
new regulation so bad that I-20 and the new Formula 1 car are the same.
नहीं,
They
dude,
behave the
new
same.
regulation is
Rest in
good
peace,
now.
Govind's I-20.
Yeah, somewhere in Malad right now. But new regulations have become better now. I really feel like
New regulations have become better. What bullshit.
than the
यश, तेरा
first
गला
half.
वाला दर्द दे रहा थोड़ा
अबे
आहिस्ते
तू-
बात
हाँ,
कर।
हाँ, अरे
तू
ये-
मेरे को
ये
सही से-
हमको
The
podcast के पहले
entire-
बोलता है मेरा राइट गोटी पेन कर रहा है.
नहीं राइट गोटी नहीं मेरा
Left
ये
गोटी।
ये पूरा इधर का पूरा दर्द दे रहा है.
तू मेरे को
This is-
ठीक से देख नहीं पा रहा है यश ये गाली देते
So
टाइम
true,
क्या
so true.
ऐसा देखा ए क्या
This is Max Verstappen.
Do I really look like I give a shit? Well, yesterday he gave
He
a lot of
didn't
shit.
give
वो
a
निकल
shit.
गया.
वो
वो
निकल
अरे
गया.
निकला क्यों? क्योंकि नहीं चला पाया ना तो he gave a shit.
नहीं,
That's
वो घर-
all
वो-
because
वो
of
घर
the
पे
fuck
गया
all
था.
regulations that are happening, man.
I know that's not the fuck all.
No, it's not a fuck all regulation. I
कुछ
think-
भी हो बहनचो मैक्स के साथ fuck all regulation ही है
Listen,
क्या?
This is
listen,
regulation.
listen, listen. I feel मेरे को इस पे ₹2 देने का मेरा
दे दे
कि
दे।
गाड़ी
₹2 दे
10 किलो
₹2
ओवरवेट है.
भाई ₹2 का
इमेजिनरी.
जीपे
साला देख कितना कमाता है ये ₹1 नहीं दे पा रहा है हम लोग को.
Continue.
तो गाड़ी 10 किलो ओवरवेट है. तुम्हारा बंदा तुमको फिर भी क्वालिफाइंग में अच्छे पोजीशन पर डाल रहा है. तुम एज अ टीम हाउ चिल यू आर विद देयर इज बीइंग चिल नाउ. मेरे को सच्ची बता रहा हूँ ना, एक टाइम था जहाँ पे बोलते थे ना रेडबुल टॉक्सिक है, रेडबुल है, तभी चुत्या मैक्स का गाड़ी तो ठीक बनाते थे वो लोग. जब से भाई वो हॉर्नर गया, हेलमुट मार्को गया, बोला मार्को को बुलाओ. मैं तो बोलता हूँ
नहीं मैं बोलता हूँ हॉर्नर को बुलाओ वापस.
हॉर्नर BYD में जा रहा है ना.
BYD हो रहा है उसका अगले साल की 2 साल बाद.
सच में हो रहा है कि वो टॉक्स है ना.
वेरी क्लोज फाइनल इंटरव्यू है उसका. टेक्निकल राउंड क्लियर किया उसने. फिर एचआर ने फाइनल जो एचआर का रंगोली कंपटीशन के लिए.
हाँ.
तो
तो वो
GD
अभी
हो
बना
गया
रहा है.
उसका. GD हो गया.
जीडी हो गया.
GD हो गया.
जीडी में गोविंद था ना.
हाँ.
गोविंद और राजशामनी थे उसमें.
हाँ.
गोविंद राजशमानी एंड क्रिश्चियन हॉर्नर आर अप्लाइंग फॉर BYD. क्या BYD किसी को भी ले रहे हैं क्या बे?
मैं राज चौहान या क्रिश्चियन हॉर्नर है टॉप 3.
तुम लोग नहीं मालूम गोविंद आजकल राजशामनी के साथ ही घूमता है.
I can't believe there'll be any scenario where all three of you all are on one continent also together.
That's true.
But-
नहीं we will be when there'll be an Indian GP. And
But फिर
Horner is in
Horner-
BYD.
हाँ, अगर वो हुआ
हाँ.
तो
दिस जो रेडबुल
Yes.
में हो रहा है
Yes.
विद वर्स्टैपेन. आई डोंट फील दैट. पहली बात तो रेडबुल अभी उसको आके बोलेगा ना, वर्स्टैपेन बोलेगा बेंचो में कैडिलैक के लिए गाड़ी चलाएगा. गाड़ी तो बनाते हैं भाई, तुम लोग क्या कर रहे हो?
देखो guys, sorry to say, you guys are biased. मैक्स का कुछ हगा होगा वो गाड़ी होगी.
No, that
one
wasn't a
second.
user error,
नहीं, one
please.
second.
I'm sorry.
Hadjar has a podium. I think you're forgetting there is another Red Bull there who is on the podium. तो ये Red Bull या regulation कुछ नहीं है, वही
हाँ,
same
but it
गाड़ी
is
को-
Red Bull's issue.
It's a car
I know.
problem.
I'm
हाँ,
saying,
problem.
I'm
It
saying
did
तुम
not
लोग
start.
मैक्स के साथ कुछ गलत होता है, रेगुलेशन को ही फॉल्ट
but
देते
वो
हैं.
सिर्फ- वो सिर्फ यश ने बोला.
हाँ,
हाँ,
regulation-
रेगुलेशन को हटा दे.
नहीं, नहीं, it's a car problem
गाड़ी
only.
चालू नहीं हो तो क्या
अरे, of course,
करेगा?
it's a car problem
तेरे को
only,
प्रॉब्लम है क्या मैक्स से?
हाँ थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम है. सॉरी मैं ये
अच्छा,
वायर
तू
कर रहा
adjust
था. हाँ, मैं वायर
मारेगा
एडजस्ट कर रहा था मैं.
वापस से. डर लगता
मैं
है
वायर
मारते हैं.
adjust कर रहा था.
पहले वो तो बुनी फिंगर है इसका.
तो फिंगर नहीं let it
नहीं नहीं
be.
बट
See, it
वही that's
wasn't
a car
definite.
issue.
It's a like, oh my god, dude. I saw the first, as soon as the lights went off and my eyes were on Max and I saw the yellow lights coming on the mirror and everyone just passing him. I was like, what is happening? Bro, ये Monaco curse lap 1 से ही चालू हो गया. जो इतने सारे चीज हुए मैक्स के निकलने के बाद. But
नहीं, I felt
that
bad,
was
dude.
definitely a user error, not a user error. It was a car error because he did everything perfectly. His reaction time was spot on. His race वो जो rev करते that was spot on. Everything was spot on.
I wanted to see a fight between him and Kimi, man. But
Exactly.
I
That would
think
have been a good race.
At this point, Max should अपने नाम में MAXX कर देना चाहिए. कुछ तो है.
नहीं, ये हटा देना चाहिए अजय
वो
देवगन जैसा.
नंबर 3 ही
नहीं,
मैच
नहीं,
होता है
मक्स
उसकी.
मक्स
बट
मक्स
जैसे
हो जाएगा वो.
भाई जैसे यश ने बोला एवरीथिंग वाज स्पॉट ऑन. हम लोग भी सब स्पॉट ऑन काम कर रहे हैं. टिकट क्यों नहीं ले रहे तुम लोग? इससे याद आया मुझे.
Oh
क्या
yes,
बे?
please.
हाँ,
क्या
14
problem है
14 जून को हम लोग बार्सिलोना लाइव
I'm
कर
looking
रहे हैं.
over there.
हाँ, यश हर चीज
At you.
स्पॉट ऑन. टिकट लो ना गाइस, बुक माई शो में
रुक
टिकट्स
जाओ,
है,
guys.
एपिसोड के इसमें भी टिकट्स है. प्लीज ले लो गाइस. आप लोग के लिए कर रहे हैं ये सब हम लोग.
Guys,
मजा
मैं
आएगा.
बताता हूँ. मेरे को बैक एंड एक्सेस मिलता है क्या मतलब मैं ही डाला हूँ.
उसके ही back end.
हाँ,
हम
वही.
लोग ने गोविंद को परमिशन दिया है.
मैंने ये डाला है और मैं बोल रहा हूँ उसमें मुझे हर दिन दुख होता है देख के, ठीक है, क्योंकि तुम लोग नहीं ले रहे हो. मैं रिफ्रेश
Can you
एक
show
बार
this
मारता
to
हूँ.
the camera? I can't. Please,
डाल देंगे ना
please,
वो
please.
वीडियो में.
अरे ये तो बताते ना, ऐसा थोड़ा
बट इसमें दिखेगा नहीं.
पर्सनल
क्या
टच.
point है?
गाइस देखो बुक माई शो. कैन यू सी?
गाइस देखो मैं रिफ्रेश किए जा रहा हूँ, ठीक है, बढ़ नहीं रहा है गाइस. क्या हो गया तुम
हम लोग
क्या हो कुछ प्रॉब्लम है क्या तुम लोग
14 जून, ये 14 जून है क्या?
14th जून 5th जुलाई, ठीक है, ये है 2.
Did I write 15 on some page? Okay, no, it's 14 June, Barcelona, and 5th July, Silverstone.
Right here, Caterpillar car, tickets on Book My Show. Please लीजिए guys. Our life depends on it.
गाइस मैं अभी भी रिफ्रेश किए जा रहा हूँ. क्या हो रहा है तुम लोग ले नहीं रहे हो?
गोविंद ने हैथवे को 4 बार कॉल किया. उसको लग रहा है इंटरनेट नहीं चल रहा उसके घर पे.
मैं
Please,
नया
guys.
फोन लिया ताकि मुझे लगा फोन का प्रॉब्लम है. मैं नया फोन लिया देखने की बढ़ेगा कि नहीं. एक टिकट बढ़ा.
ये सब बकचोदी जो हम लोग कर रहे हैं वो आप लोग हम लोग को करते हुए देख सकते हैं लाइव. सिर्फ टच नहीं करने का.
नहीं
वो
कर लो. शेट्टी को टच कर
personally
सकते हो.
देख लो जिसको भी करना है.
टच नहीं करने का
ठीक है,
बस.
टिकट ले लो, लिंक में है.
I love you.
जाके ले लो. बाय.
हाँ बट तो गोविंद बोल रहा है कि मैक्स का गलती है जो गाड़ी
मैक्स को मैंने नहीं बोला. मैंने
गाड़ी
देखा
का-
ऐसे ही लोग हिट करने लग जाते हैं. मैंने बोला
Sorry.
कि गाड़ी की गलती है. रेगुलेशन पे मत सब मत डालो.
Regulation
हर
पे
बार
मत
कुछ
जाओ.
मैक्स के साथ गलत होता है
पावर
तो.
ट्रेन आया है तो
Sorry?
फोर्ड पावर ट्रेन आया तो इशू रहेगा ही ना कुछ.
हाँ
मतलब
सो द कार हैज टू बी रैप्ड
देख मेरे को मैक्स नहीं पता. ठीक है.
तू एक काम कर, उठ के तेरा पीछे जो डिजाइन है वो बता और बता
नहीं,
कि
मेरे को
तेरे
नहीं पता.
पीछे
मेरे को नहीं
जो है
जो इतना-
उसने क्या किया.
जो इतनी हेकड़ी है
उसने
तेरी.
क्या किया
हाँ ऊपर से
बता जरा कैमरा को.
ऊपर से मोनागैस का कर्स रहता है ना मैक्स.
देखो ये बंदा, सॉरी ये बंदा
ये तो लौड़ा गैस खो गया
कुछ नहीं किया
मोनागैस से.
उसने. और तू मैक्स के बारे में बात कर रहा है.
क्यों
वो
मैं
भी
नहीं बात
DNF
कर
में
सकता
आया.
है? ये भी हगा ही ना
साले.
बहनचोद. ये तो क्या गंदा.
ये तो
अबे
हगा
ये
गैस
वो
खो
तो
गया है.
एक्चुअली
अबे
वो तो
ऐसे-
एक्चुअली स्ट्रैटेजी का फक हो गया था.
नहीं वो उसका
नहीं.
ब्रेक का था. उसका
हाँ,
ब्रेक
but
की गलती
also-
थी.
भाई एक बात बोलूं, लुइस ले रहा आटे में लेक्लेयर को.
Dude, Lewis is P2 in the championship.
Yup.
भाई I think Kim is good for him. I never thought I'd say
yeah,
this.
that's true.
I think Kim is good for him. वो थोड़ा खुश लग रहा है आजकल.
Bro,
Yeah.
रसल क्या दुखी होगा भाई.
Russell is
भाई रसल का फॉल्ट है.
P3
मैं तुम
now.
लोगों को पहले से बोला रसल का घी खत्म हो गया है. रसल देखो जो लोग बोल
घी
रहे हैं
खत्म हो गया है.
आजकल नहीं घी माता ना घी खत्म नहीं पता. लाइक समझ एकदम तू
मैं थोड़ा ऑफलाइन भी रहता हूँ कभी तो.
नहीं अरे ये नया मीम बच्चे लोग डाले. घी खत्म क्या होता है मालूम है गोविंद की. तो थका वका रहेगा ना तो गोविंद घी खत्म हो गया क्या वैसे.
मतलब क्या एनर्जी खत्म
हाँ
हो गया?
एनर्जी को घी खत्म बोलते हैं देसी.
अच्छा.
मेरे को लगता है कि रसल का घी खत्म हो गया है. और जो लोग बोल रहे थे रसल का रिसरेक्शन होने वाला है. मैं अभी से बोलना चाहता हूँ कि तुम लोग जो पियास्ट्री और नॉरिस का कंपैरिजन कर रहे थे वो कंपैरिजन के साथ मत चलिए. बिकॉज किमी एंटोनेली इज अ जनरेशनल टैलेंट. किमी एंटोनेली क्लियरली shows flashes of young Max and we haven't had a talent like this. Fuck everyone who's been in the grid for the last 3 years. I want to एक second.
हाँ बोलो.
एक सेकेंड. सो तुम लोग बोल रहे हो ना कि इस रेस के पहले 41-42 पॉइंट्स के गैप के साथ किमी उतरा था. इन स्पाइट ऑफ द फैक्ट दैट पीपल सेइंग दैट मर्सिडीज का जो इंजन एडवांटेज है वो नहीं है ये है. ही स्टिल मैनेज्ड टू गेट अ ग्रेट स्टार्ट. ही स्टिल मैनेज्ड टू पुट दैट कार ऑन पोल दो twice. So what I'm trying to say is these people have backed a driver who's that good. Mercedes have done their homework really well. They have backed a real good talent and I feel ये इस साल मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है इस साल ये चैंपियनशिप जीतना चाहिए. डिजर्विंग है. और रसल इसको देख मैं ऐसा बोल रहा हूँ फ्यूचर में है कि 1-2 रेस रसल जीत जाएगा. बट उससे ज़्यादा मेरे को लगता है इतना ज़्यादा जो you won't be able to catch Kimi. बट इसमें बट ऐसा है कि ऐसा हो सकता है कि अगर फेरारी के पास अच्छा गाड़ी हो जो लोग बोल रहे हैं हैमिल्टन विल बी मच मोर क्लोजर टू Kimi.
Yeah.
तुम लोग क्या लगता
नहीं पहले
That honestly gave me a little goosebump. Very well said, Shetty.
Between Russell and
gave me a little
Kimi,
boner actually.
between Russell and Kimi, it's like that logic कि like Russell will win the battle but lose the war to Kimi. वैसा है वो logic.
No,
He might win 1-2 races but
A few episodes back I'd said कि Kimi का वो नीचे हो जाएगा कि वो consistently नहीं कर पाएगा. I think I take that back.
Bro, and every
there's
race since
nothing-
the past 3 episodes, I've been constantly saying this. He's building the gap enough to afford 1 DNF. It's gotten to 2 DNFs,
Dude,
dude.
he's what? Wait,
68
90
points.
Yeah, 68 points ahead of Hamilton.
ahead of Russell.
90. Hamilton is 90,
Huh.
and Kimi is
156.
156 is Kimi,
Kimi.
Lewis
Yeah,
is
so
90.
66 points from
and
Hamilton. So
88 is Russell.
Yeah. So 60 points. So either the dude is driving so well that into the sixth race, था ना ये? हाँ, तो into the 7th race, he can afford 2 back-to-back DNFs. And if the second and the third person still come first, he's still ahead, dude.
Yeah.
He's
Yeah.
still ahead.
But I
Dude,
hope
that's
those,
insane.
like, वो DNF तो नहीं करेगा, but
No,
it
I'm
was-
saying, but है उतना
he
मार
can
लिया.
afford it. Like,
he can.
I still take that back. I think this guy is insane. I
And-
think he'll be consistent also. That's the only thing I was concerned about कि ये he'll fizzle
Yeah.
out, वो थोड़ा सा पागल जैसे कर देगा, फिर वो बस पीछे कहीं रह जाएगा. But I think he's on a roll right now, and mentally also he's
100%.
exactly where
He's
he
doing-
needs to be.
Yeah, he's doing everything he can to prove the world that the kid that Toto chose is the right choice for
I
Mercedes.
really think he should win this
He
year's
will.
Bro, and the
championship.
parallels between, like Shetty भी last episode बोल रहा था, the parallels between Kimi and Vaibhav Suryavanshi are so stark,
true,
dude.
yeah.
Both great talent to score for both teams, both insanely doing better.
Sorry, I just what's the youngest F1 champion until now? Like, who's been the youngest? Like Vettel, 23
I think
या कुछ ना?
Vettel ही है अभी तक.
Because if Kimi wins, then he'll be the youngest. I'm guessing. I
Bro,
don't think a teenager has.
Kimi has done a lot of stuff in Monaco.
Sebastian Vettel is the youngest ever
23
Formula
and
One,
some months.
winning his
Yeah.
first title in 2010 in the age of 23 years
Yeah.
and 134
Shit, this guy's
days.
gonna beat it by what, like 4 years if he
Dude,
wins.
a bunch of, like, if you see after Monaco, he has a bunch of like insane stats and records, dude. Kimi right now, after 6 races, has more points than his entire 2025 season combined, dude. He now has 156. In 2025, in totality, he had 150. So उसने 6 races and 25 races. That's the comparison. He's also the youngest Monaco winner at 19 years, 9 months, 13
Yeah.
days. And again, previous was Hamilton, which was 23 years,
Yeah.
4 months and 18 days, which is another insane. I think this was his first Grand Slam also. So pole,
Oh,
fastest
this was a
lap.
Grand Slam.
Yeah. Pole,
I didn't know he led every lap.
Yeah. और कौन था? There was no one next to
That's
him.
true. Oh yeah.
Pole, fastest lap, every lap red, and win.
Yeah.
Directly.
No, बाकी सब था, but I didn't know he led
And
every
he's
lap.
the
I
youngest
thought-
person to do a Grand Slam also.
Yeah.
The second one was Max. I think, but Max also did it when he was like 19, 20-ish.
Dude.
But he, again,
बिकॉज जो किमी का मेरे को लग रहा है ना, अगर तुम लोग कल का रेस में भी देखेगा ना, दैट आई फील द लेसर नंबर ऑफ मिस्टेक्स एवरीवन डज. ही इज यंग, ही इज इम्पल्सिव, ही इज एग्रेसिव, और ऑल्सो लॉट ऑफ बट आई फील what also we have to factor in is that is a Mercedes.
Yeah.
So the independence to or the freedom to make mistakes is Mercedes को लगा ठीक है गलती कर तू. And also he has an engineer like Peter Bonington who has been with Schumacher, who's
That's
been with
true.
Hamilton. So even if he's making mistakes, so the feedback that he'll get कि भाई तूने ये किया ये मत कर. कल क्या हो गया मालूम है तुम लोगों को, रेस के स्टार्टिंग में हैमिल्टन और इसके बीच में 4 सेकंड का गैप था. भाई ये पुश करे जा रहा है कि करे जा रहा है भाई, मतलब लिटरली गोविंद वो 4 सेकंड से वो 10 सेकंड पे लेके आ रहे.
नहीं,
ये
वो-
दिख रहा है कि उसको भाई वो ऐसा बंदा है ना कि वो रूम फॉर एरर देना ही नहीं चाह रहा है. बोलते कि भाई मैं आगे हूँ तो मैं 12 सेकंड से आगे रहूंगा भाई.
वो 5 सेकंड तक आगे था.
भाई वो 5 लैप
5
में 10 सेकंड दूर चले गया था.
Yeah.
ये P2 से. That was crazy because I kept looking at the time and I saw he kept pulling back, and it's not even like these guys are not pushing. These guys are full throttle mode on.
Yeah.
And at the same time, I loved how Russell was just pulling back everyone after the second race
भाई
start.
okay, I know कि यार रसल का लॉट, but ऐसा क्या हो गया
It is
अचानक से?
petty. It is petty. Who gives a
No,
fuck?
I'm
It's still
just saying,
Russell.
but-
He's a diva.
No, I'm
He-
just saying I don't know what happened. He was
Yeah.
a-
But before that, again,
Yeah.
just to add to Shetty's point, I feel like, see, again, a lot of people forget that F1 is a team sport, and there's individually a lot of parameters which work to make you a great driver. Sure, Antonelli is a great driver, but he has a mentor like Toto. He has a team principal like Toto. He has like an engineer like Peter Bonington. And agar tu race bhi dekhega, there were a lot of moments where he was going all out, and the only thing like Bono had to do is be like, listen, you can reel it in.
Yeah.
So he's not directing him. He's just guiding him कि देख भाई तू बराबर कर रहा है. Just bring it home. इससे ज़्यादा कुछ मत कर. And if you compare that to any other engineer, like race engineer for any other driver, कोई भी वैसा नहीं लगता मेरे को, dude.
That's true.
जब हम बोलते हैं कि your support system or the people you have in your team, like a lot of people who are successful in general, they have people who are that diligent to support them, back them.
Yeah.
मैं because तुम लोग देखेगा ना, मेरे को और एक चीज़ लगा जो तूने रसल का जो पॉइंट बोला, इसका मेरे को एक छोटा ऐड ऑन करने का कि गोविंद, मेरे को ऐसा लगता है ना कि ये जो स्पोर्ट है ना, टेम्परामेंट बहुत है. टेम्परामेंट मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि तुम्हारा वो रेस वीकेंड पे ना तुम्हारा वो वीकेंड खत्म नहीं होता है, वो अक्का हफ्ता तुम कैसे हो.
Yeah,
मेरे को लगता है somewhere down the line Russell had his moment, he lost it. Even when Hamilton was struggling with the regulation last season, he had his moment, still lost it, couldn't make it. Last year also he had his moment because again McLaren had the same powertrain, they were doing well. Because he had his moments. मेरे को लगता है कि but I think you know when it comes to racing pedigree between both the drivers, Kimi is certainly at a better. He's certainly superior to Russell at this moment. And he looks better. And also मेरे को कैसा लग रहा था, तुम लोग कल उसका रेडियो से नहीं लग रहा था थोड़ा इंटिमिडेटेड था, वो थोड़ा इरिटेटेड था, थोड़ा एजिटेटेड था.
रसेल, ऑफ कोर्स भाई, वो तो
एजिटेशन तो इन जनरल रहता है, कल थोड़ा ज्यादा लग रहा था रे.
अरे लगेगा ही भाई. सोचना तू, अगेन एज वी हैड टॉक्ड अबाउट, इतने सालों से वेट किया जा रहा है. व्हाट यू वर सेइंग इज राइट ओनली. ही इज सो इंटिमिडेटेड एंड मेंटली ही इज नॉट स्ट्रांग, डूड. वो थोड़ा अफेक्ट हो जाता है इससे, एंड देन वो बस रोते रहता है.
Do you think it was team orders for him to like back everyone up?
I mean, he is the second driver.
Or
To
was
back
it-
everyone
No,
up,
no.
I don't think
I
so.
don't think
I
team
think he did
orders
that
stuff.
all by himself and his capabilities.
Yeah.
But
We know Mercedes is not petty. Device.
yeah. But no, it seems like the problem is not कि मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा कि रसल अरे क्या बोलते हैं पीछे क्यों एंटोनेली से, but this seems like a very big gap all of a sudden between Antonelli and Russell, which is what I don't understand. इतना क्या mentally ये हो गया कि
अरे he gets very shaken up, dude.
He finished 12th, right?
हाँ, that's because of the
Of course,
stop and go penalty.
But even before that, he was 5th, 6th. Yeah,
Yeah.
वहाँ पे ही था. He wasn't in the top
Dude,
3, 4.
I firstly didn't understand why didn't they just serve the penalty when they had to.
Yeah.
वो
वो
तो
तो
fuck all था bro. They threw him under the bus.
I'm just like कि, and you could see his hesitation also because the moment they finished the pit stop, I think उसको भी याद आ गया shit penalty था, and he didn't immediately leave. And then मतलब वो 2 सेकंड का लैग था, and I'm like यार maybe if he served it then things
Yeah, might
have
have.
been different because again फिर वापस safety car हुआ, red flag, मतलब everything was there, so you never know. And even when he backed everyone at the hairpin after the restart, that just seems so stupid because it's anyway Monaco. है तेरे पास 3 लैप, तू कुछ नहीं करने वाला है. लाइक ही कुड हैव डन व्हाटएवर ही हैड टू डू इन द एंटायर रेस. वो 3 लैप में कुछ नहीं करता, एंड बिकॉज ही बैक्ड एवरीवन अप, देयर वाज ट्रैफिक. वो साइंस और हुल्केनबर्ग का हो गया.
Oh, yeah.
Sainz, Bortoleto and Liam
साइंस को
Lawson.
तो सब ठोके जा रहे थे भाई.
Yeah.
बस.
और उसमें हुल्केनबर्ग को पेनल्टी मिल गया.
हाँ.
I'm just like, dude, there was no need. And I'm assuming his logic was, if he backs everyone up, there's gap, and then he can sort of like go.
Yeah.
But that didn't work out. So
That wasn't working out before the red flag also, because you could see how much he was trying to just overtake Hejar and failed a lot of times. It couldn't have been like more worse, क्योंकि अगर वो गए टाइम भी जैसे किया था कि no I'll take the penalty, अगले को 20 सेकंड का पेनल्टी मिल गया last
Yeah.
when he
Monaco.
cut the chicane.
Yeah. It's like people on the internet call it they call it silly lap.
What is that?
It's basically like when you cut the chicane and overtake it and take like a 5-second penalty
Oh.
for it.
But you
So-
make up in like this.
Yeah.
But agar I know what you're saying. Like they should have like during pit stop served the penalty. Even if Russell would have served the penalty, would have been like anywhere in P10, P8, pakad lo, he wouldn't have done jack shit.
Yeah.
It's a fact.
I'm just surprised how.
Because right now, Mercedes car is still better than Red Bull's car.
Yeah.
And he couldn't overtake Hejar. So that's not like a car problem.
ये
It's
क्या कर रहा था पता है, झाटू क्या कर रहा था मालूम है रेडियो में.
हाँ.
अभी तू समझ हेजार है, ठीक है. ये रेडियो में बोलते हैं अरे हेजार का
front left tire.
फ्रंट
degradation हो रहा है.
मैंने बोला भोसड़ी के तू गाड़ी चला ना झाटू, फ्रंट लेफ्ट टायर क्या देख रहा है तू, मतलब
And the
Green हो रहा है,
funniest
green हो
thing
रहा
is-
है, green
the
जा रहा था
funniest
वो.
thing is, even if you're trying to overtake, because mostly that overtake from the right, देखो उसका front left कैसा दिख रहा है, मतलब I was like,
Dude, that's actually देख रसल जो भी बोलो उसको दूसरे के काम में उसका
Yeah.
नाक रहना बहुत
Always.
बड़ी
हाँ,
loves doing it.
सेकंड फ्लोर में कोई किसी को ले रहा है, मैंने बोले ये सब क्या बोल रहा है गांडू तू.
सेकंड फ्लोर में कोई किसी को ले रहा है, प्लीज उनको पेनल्टी दे दो.
Oh man. So it's
5 सेकंड टाइम पहले रुकने बोलो उसको 5 सेकंड.
ठीक है.
so yeah, again, it's definitely like ऐसा कुछ नहीं कर देता रसल, बहुत बहनचोद कुछ अलग ही तोप की अगर उसने सर्व कर दिया पेनल्टी तो he would have had something. Balls,
I'm just
nothing.
surprised, dude. I want Russell to be up there and then lose. Like,
no. I think it's gone. That
Yeah.
this was the shot, dude. मतलब 5 races, 6 race हो गया. He's already like.
I don't think we should count Monaco because there are no overtaking zones.
हाँ,
Again,
चल.
But dude, when okay, we don't count Monaco, agreed. But and the kind of starts that Antilli has had, the kind of opportunities. भाई यश उसको opportunity मिला, गाड़ी को पोल पे लेके आया, अच्छा स्टार्ट मिला दोनों टाइम जब वापस से रीस्टार्ट हुआ रेड फ्लैग के बाद, तभी भी he got off to a good start.
टीम को उसने इतना ऊपर लेकर आया है अभी फिलहाल single handedly I feel at this point, which is like everyone's rooting for him, rooting for Mercedes.
Five in a row, and
Oh,
these are
man.
his first wins, right? चालू होते ही
first
पांच
Monaco, yeah.
के
First
बाद
major
एक
wins, and it's
not
that
sprint
stat.
and all,
It's
just
that
normal.
stat also, na, that any driver who has won 5 in a row in a season, that driver has gone on to win the championship
Yeah.
every time.
That shows that because see तुमने सब बोल रहे 5 win, 5 across 5 different race tracks and different driving conditions. Monaco हो गया,
मोनाको हो गया, रेन
Canada,
हो गया थोड़ा बीच में,
Miami
कनाडा
हो
में,
गया.
मायामी हो गया.
तो मेरे को वही लग रहा है कि that shows the consistency, that shows how locked in the driver is. मेरे को वो लग रहा है कि भाई मैं एकदम कल का रेस के बाद मैं बोला कि भिंचो आपको मुझे आके बोलेगा ना कि भाई ये तो ऐसा ठीक है भाई किमी, मैंने बोला नहीं भाई वो जनरेशनल टैलेंट है, अप्रिशिएट करो, गिव क्रेडिट दो भाई.
He's another Max. He's aggressive and
Exactly. Wait, in the
he's
beginning of-
taking it forward.
in the beginning of-
and over the years और mature होगा वो.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
I think
Exactly.
Dude,
that's-
his ceiling, अबे ये क्या है, 19 साल का है भाई अभी, he'll only get better after
Yeah,
this.
and I think we also have to give credit where credit is due. It feels like we are seeing history. I think.
yeah.
Yeah.
It's
Like,
nice to see. I wanted Piastri to be this.
Yeah,
But
No, but
he might
Piastri
come
was
back.
also
Wait.
really
He's-
like killing
he's-
it because
he's
his and
killing it.
Hajar's
He
battle
got
throughout.
he also got a 5-second penalty.
I
No,
don't
कुछ
think so.
तो-
He did.
Who? I
अरे
don't.
इतने लोगों को मिला, I'm forgetting. He was gonna
Gasly को
get
मिला
some-
है.
Yes.
हाँ, he
Piastri
did.
got a 5-second.
Yeah, he did.
So
I
it was
remember.
basically like a lot of people got penalties for the pit lane speed limit.
Yeah.
A lot
To
of
a
people were
point where I
crossing it
think it's the
apparently.
sensor only.
No. There's a logical explanation to
What
that
is
also.
it?
It's not the sensor.
Uh-huh.
And it actually is like kind of funny because up until now we had 10 teams.
Yeah.
So of course all the pit garages were in a line for 10 teams. Now Cadillac became the 11th.
Yeah.
So Cadillac in Monaco got the spare pit garage in the end. So
Huh.
as soon as like you enter the pit, that's where they got the garage. Now the problem
Like the
was,
first one.
हाँ, I think when you enter only because सबका entry पे ही था.
Yeah.
And if you see all the cars who got a penalty for speeding in the pit limit, under pit limits, all have got that penalty for 0.1 kilometers an hour consistently. So everyone thought that, of course, the limiter is the
Yeah.
issue. Like the fault is in technology,
Yeah.
but it's not that. The explanation is quite simple because Cadillac had their garage there. What most drivers were used to is just cutting in that first corner and coming in. So when they cut it, they are technically going quicker. So the distance measured that drops down. Like that's how the speed is calculated.
If you have to like get into the pit, you have to like brake a little more
Earlier.
pehle.
Yeah. So because there's that is why everyone was over speed limit. And what FIA said was because this is a new addition, all teams and drivers were warned of this in FP only. That's why I think in FP3, I think one of the Ferraris got this again there, like speeding in pit limit.
Huh.
And all of the teams were told ki dekh bhai ye ho gai. because there's one more. You have to not cut that corner. You'll have to take that track.
I think they're so used to it
Yeah.
by this point कि वो
That's
लोगों को
अब मेरे को लगता है और एक टीम आएगा ना अगले साल वो तो डायरेक्ट रेस ट्रैक पे रखेंगे ऐसा करके जा रहे हैं तुमने मार्टिन मंडल वाला देखा किम और मार्टिन मंडल
Bro, I fucking
नहीं, I didn't
hated
see
it.
I didn't see it. क्या था?
So many people were being very rude to him.
क्या हुआ?
बता शेट्टी बता.
अबे क्या हो गया मार्टिन मंडल है ना ऐसा किम कार्दाशियन को देखा ठीक है
अच्छा किम का मुझे किम ही लगा. हाँ ठीक है किम
किम
कार्दाशियन.
कार्दाशियन को देखा और वो किम कार्दाशियन की तरफ जा रहा था ठीक है तो कोई उसको धक्का वक्का मार रहा है तो चित्ता बोल भी रहा है आई एम रिलेटिवली फेमस डोंट पुश मी मैंने बोला अबे मार्टिन मंडल तेरा औकात नहीं है झाटू तेरे कोई पहचानता है तो कोई खड़ा नहीं करता है
यार ये हमेशा
ये
उसके
नहीं
साथ
यार,
होता
औकात तो है यार
औकात
उसका.
क्यों नहीं है
नहीं,
उसका?
but Kim Kardashian.
अरे
मतलब
यार
वैसे नहीं.
और सुन
बट ये F1 ग्रिड पे है ना ये.
और सुन ये पूरा अवॉइड ही किया
क्या
Yeah.
यार dude all these fucking celebrities are very rude to Martin Brundle. I don't like it.
They continuously avoided
Because
him,
they
bro.
don't know shit about F1, no.
अरे but then fucking
That
dude
Cynthia also was there, that actress, and उसने पहले बोला कि I'm not going to do interview, and then Martin Brundle asked her 2 questions, she answered, हो गया खत्म हो गया उधर ही. It's that easy. If you're on the pit walk, you are entitled to give one interview to Martin Brundle because है भाई वो legend है
नहीं
इंसान.
I'm saying if you don't know shit about F1
Don't come.
okay yeah don't come क्योंकि
वो
this
नहीं होने
looks
वाला
wor-
है,
नहीं
but
but
yeah.
this looks worse क्योंकि when Martin Brundle
और
tries to
we-
talk to you and you're ignoring it looks way worse
It
now
looks
it looks like
horrible.
you're a
just
dick.
lean into it like Ranveer Singh did, dude.
Yeah,
Fully
yeah,
lean
और
into
रणवीर
it.
सिंह तो पागल ही था
Dude,
but,
yeah.
even Karen Gillan, she's in Marvels. Wait, एक second. She's in Avengers and like Guardians of the Galaxy. This
Okay.
one.
Okay.
So she when
I don't know.
अरे
हाँ, Guardians of the Galaxy.
Yeah, yeah. Okay,
she's the
हाँ.
antler wal. No, not antler wal. She's
it's
one of them.
okay,
She's
Yash.
one of them.
It's
yeah.
okay, हाँ.
So she like saw Martin. Martin said hello, and she immediately recognized who he is, spoke to him, gave him like a nice bite, and left. See, that is something that I appreciate. And she knew also which team she was supporting. She was supporting Haas. She was there for Haas, which was
That's insane.
very funny.
that's very
That was funny as fuck.
See,
but
I think the only thing all these celebrities should do this only. If you just don't pick the top, like Lewis या Max के अलावा किसी को भी बोल दिया,
Exactly.
everyone would think that you know
Yeah.
more about F1
They're
than
like,
you
oh,
do.
this is
yeah.
a nice answer.
Yeah, just go
Yeah.
be like, I support Lawson. And they'd be like, wow, इसको Lawson पता है. बस खत्म.
And sometimes
People
Martin
are
also
stupid.
doesn't know who he's talking to. वो एक बार एक Nvidia की आई थी ना उसके
Yeah.
साथ बात कर लिया था और उसको पूछा था कि who are you seem to be important और उसने बताया Nvidia की head है मैं बोला भाई
Yeah, yeah, नहीं Martin
But
भी
see, honestly, मतलब I know it's not that way, but I can understand if you're a celeb, you're in your own like sphere
Bubble.
of
Bubble.
Hollywood and all. And Martin Brundle doesn't look like the person who's like someone that big.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
अगर कोई भी if you are that big and तेरे को शेट्टी आके बस ऐसा क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है तू बोलेगा कौन है ये मतलब
और उसको धक्का दे रहे लोग पीछे से
Yeah.
तो ऊपर से वो किम कार्दाशियन के सामने बोल रहा है कि आई एम समवन फेमस बड़ी तो भाई तेरे को सीरियसली लेगी नहीं मार्टिन मंडल तो वो तुम्हारा हवा बनाना चाहिए मार्टिन मंडल मैं सबको बोल रहा हूँ अगले बार से आप कैसा जाओ व्हाइट कलर का जब्बा टीका
क्या?
ब्लैक पैंट गोल्ड चेन और ऐसे
सनग्लासेस
और ऐसे
सनग्लासेस
aviators.
सुन ना सनग्लासेस और कॉल पे रहना चाहिए वो पहले से ही call पे-
सुनो मेरे वीरो आज मेरी कहानी बस
मार्टिन ब्रंडल मेरा भाई।
आप पीछे पब्लिक ऐसे 2-3 लोग पंटर लोग नाच रहे
It just feels-
ब्रंडल बाबू
ब्रंडल बाबूचा
Who's
विजय
that
हो.
girl? That's Kim.
it just feels like you're describing the guy on the plane, dude. जो
Yeah,
call
yeah,
किया
yeah,
था ना.
that
Yeah,
only.
yeah, yeah.
तो तब भी मार्टिन मंडल का हवा बनेगा समझ आपका करियर के लिए बोला ताकि अगले बार आपको कोई अवॉइड ना करे
हाँ यार सब
And
अवॉइड
if you all
कर
want people to not avoid you all, please check out this t-shirt that we're wearing today from Turn 1. Very, very good t-shirt. Great
By
design.
the way, नहीं है.
Of
Buy
course,
a
that was
t-shirt from Turn 1. This is a Luck Luck t-shirt. See?
Yeah, see?
It's a Luck Luck.
जिसने जिसका कल भी DNF हुआ. This is Max.
Mine
जिसका-
इसका DNS हुआ है
Mine is Suzuka.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
there's a design also at the back. Yeah.
It's a nice design of Suzuka track.
So thank you so much Turn 1 for sending us t-shirts, and if you all want, please you all can scan this QR code or go to their
site.
Instagram page and site.
ब्रांड डील्स इंटीग्रेशन
ब्रांड आ गए भाई ब्रांड पैसा पैसा
fun stuff.
Fun stuff.
But thank you
मजा आ गया.
again.
But thank you, and also Yash, that was a disgusting segue into
Brother.
the brand, but I
पैसे के
didn't
लिए
see
मैं
it
कुछ भी
coming.
करूंगा.
So great, great.
Organic. It is organic.
Yeah.
It did not
Very
feel like
organic.
forced.
It was out of the blue, like the crash that Leclerc had to go through. See, that was a good one.
तू रोने वाला है? तू रोने वाला है अभी?
भाई मेरा दिन खराब हो गया था. मैं मजाक भी नहीं कर रहा. तब तक मैं ऐसे ही देखे जा रहा था. लक का ये देख लिया. मैं मेरा मूड ही ऑफ हो गया कि इतना
गोविंद का
fucking-
पप्पा किमी का फैन हो गया लेकिन अपने पूछ रहा है गोविंद तू रो रहा क्यों है?
भाई मेरा दिमाग ही खराब. अरे क्या फालतू में भाई. एंड
Oh,
आई थिंक
man.
आई ब्लेम लांस स्ट्रोल फॉर इट. चूतिए ने वो किया नहीं होता क्योंकि लेक्लर्क didn't want to pit first
He
of
didn't
all.
want to pit,
He
yeah.
did not want to pit and
Yeah.
then he had to pit. फिर बेंचो ठोक दिया. उसका ब्रेक भी खराब था. इसलिए यार
And
ये
like at this point, there was so much of more tire deck that was happening throughout the race for everyone. Pitting didn't seem like a very bad call, but
no, knowing what we know now, fuck Ferrari for fucking
exactly.
making him
But
pit.
it didn't
it was
seem
cool
like a bad
tires
call at
also.
first.
I know, but I have to blame someone. I won't blame
Exactly.
Leclerc.
Fair enough, fair enough.
so-
But you know, right? In post race, he admitted that it was his fault.
I don't care.
अच्छा, वो-
Fuck that.
वो
Fuck
ठोकते
that.
वो ठोकते बोला कि it is the brakes, it's not my fault.
He
Yeah.
said. But
But even if it is for is
And
his
then
fault,
that
it's
entire
the
thing-
worst race
Yeah.
for
Yeah.
this to happen. So I just
and
don't.
in the end, I don't know if y'all saw that photo of the entire turn, that last turn, the full asphalt being uprooted. Did you see that? There's a photo.
Hey, that's like Mrinal Thai Gore flyover. जो
Exactly,
बना है.
exactly.
हाँ.
And that's
Yeah.
the funny part, right? This is the pinnacle of motorsport. The issue is the same.
That means Mumbai GP हो सकता है. अगर ऐसे ही रोड पे कर रहे वो लोग
Possibly.
तो.
that was
हाँ, चाहिए तो कर सकते हैं.
somebody who follows on Instagram sent us this crash out video of
हाँ ये मतलब where he was arguing and all.
yeah. He बेचारा
क्या
यार.
करेगा वो? मतलब and the
ए,
worst.
तुझे लगता है नहीं सॉरी दिस इज सो रैंड. कोई लकलक का गला पकड़ सकता है क्या क्योंकि इतना बड़ा तो गला है भाई वो हाथ में
This is actually very right.
हाथ में फिट होगा क्या उसका
Kimi,
गला?
दो हाथ
Kimi's
है
neck
ना?
is also really easy.
अभी तो
Like,
दो हाथ है ना.
हाँ 2 हाथ से. 1 हाथ से नहीं होगा ना. that's what I'm saying.
माइक पकड़ के थोड़ी कोई पकड़
जॉर्ज का तो पकड़ रहा है टोटो.
हाँ.
मेरे को लगता है मेरे को लगता है कि लेक्लेयर का भी ऐसा हो गया ना पॉइंट कि अभी फेरारी भी बोल रहेगा कि भाई अभी तो एक्सटेंड करवा है इसका कॉन्ट्रैक्ट.
Oh yeah,
Exactly.
we haven't talked about
Yeah.
that, have we? कि
And that's
वो
what I was
वापस
going to
extend
say.
किया.
कि possibly the worst time to have this crash is just the race after you extended your contract.
Yeah, man. And I really feel like ये नहीं करना चाहिए था because I want him to wait like till like 3-4 races left of 2026 and make a call of like fucking changing teams.
Yeah,
Where
man.
will he go?
Very valid
let us have a
question.
conversation. He has
अगर
nowhere
सोच
to go.
अगर सोच George is not doing well.
हाँ.
Remove George.
निकालेंगे नहीं, dude.
Why?
अबे,
अरे
Leclerc-
why?
They will
Leclerc-
not. They will not. See,
Bro.
अरे यश.
Yeah, they won't, but
was
they should.
consistent
They
last-
should.
It's not possible. I'll tell you why. It's a very simple thing. You just leave teams, pit Russell and pit Leclerc. George has consistently given points over the last 2-3 years. There's no chance. It's not even a comparison, dude.
वो तो
क्यों
चार्ल्स ने
निकालेगा?
भी दिया है फरारी को.
नहीं, क्या
अबे,
बोल रहा है तू?
क्या बात कर रहा
इतना
है?
Not
consistent
nowhere
नहीं दिया
anywhere
भाई.
Russell
क्या
has
बात
given.
कर रहा है
अबे
यार?
नहीं यार.
Bro, right now Ferrari is on P2.
अरे
in
I'm not
team
saying
standing.
that. मैं बोल रहा हूँ, dude. Russell for the last entire season was known as the P3 man क्योंकि वो
Yeah.
P3 आता था.
Yeah.
How many times has Charles come P3?
But
No chance.
But
dude.
also you have to give in to the fact कि चार्ल्स को कभी इतना ढंग का गाड़ी और इतना ढंग का टीम नहीं मिला है. So he doesn't know
See,
what he's
as
missing
a
out.
Leclerc fan only, I feel like that excuse has run its course.
It's not run
no,
its
of course,
course.
it's not like 100% wrong. Also, obviously, he hasn't, but.
Bro,
he still makes random fucking mistakes here and like
Yeah.
George is more consistent than
you have
Leclerc
to
is.
give it to him.
Dude,
मतलब
if Gasly and an Alpine can like come to the top like that, bro, सोच ना अगर चार्ल्स मर्सिडीज में रहा तो क्या करेगा?
अरे but see, I get your point, but the issue here is for Charles to be in Mercedes, Mercedes has picked such a great talent abhi.
वो
They are
है।
not going to randomly pick someone.
They let go of Verstappen, bro.
Dude, I
लेक्लेयर का जो लेक्लेयर का तो भारी कब आएगा जब वर्स्टैपेन को उन्होंने फाटे पे मारा.
हाँ
I
यार।
think they couldn't have made a better decision. I don't know why they were after Max this much. They should have given Kimi a chance. They had Russell.
Now, if you think of it, I think let this season pass, but I am pretty sure Mercedes is going to be in the same boat like Red Bull was for all these years. That you don't touch your A driver, just get someone who's going to be a B driver and support that
Yeah.
A driver. And वो clear हो गया कि अभी के लिए तो Kimi ही है.
Mercedes has done that before also. Lewis Hamilton.
हाँ,
and
exactly.
Bottas. They
So
used
the
to do
logic is
that.
always that they
The
don't want two
only
drivers.
the only team that doesn't do it is McLaren, where they want to
Abaya rules.
But
yeah.
that is on paper where they say both are equal. But clearly last year we know the favor was
जैक ब्राउन का
Norris.
चेहरा इतना छोटा हो गया था बाप रे।
Dude, I don't know if you all noticed this, but when Norris retired, they were just talking about, just before he retired, they were talking about his power unit issue and they had Zach on on
Yeah.
call. So I think the commentator asked him ki, what is the issue? I'm going to go out on a limb because उसका पता चल गया था retire ही हो रहा है. And जैसे ही वो news आया, commentator was like, I'm going to go out on a limb and ask what was the issue. And Zach Brown takes this really long pause and he's like, power unit. That's it. And commentator took a longer pause and he's like, okay. Like वो पता है हम लोग को उससे ज्यादा ही पूछ रहा है ना.
Good talk, Zach. Thank you.
Yeah. So yeah, dude, I think
In a
great time
race-
for Lewis at least in Ferrari. Charles,
Yeah.
I'm telling you, the fact that he's dating Kim Kardashian is actually working out for him. वो थोड़ा खुश लग रहा है अंदर से. And
फर्क पड़ता है सब
yeah,
चीज़ से.
वही I'm happy. उससे कुछ तो हो रहा है लुइस के साथ. Leclerc के इसके बीच में ना they cut to his wife. Again, I think it's been a while since they've done that. पहले तो यही करते थे.
Yeah.
But they cut to his wife. I forgot her name, but
Something.
वैजयंती शिंदे.
हाँ
काकी.
शिंदे भाभी को के सामने कैमरा लगा एंड शी वाज सो अपसेट. इट्स व्हेन कुछ तो लक का हगे रहा था एंड देन शी आल्सो ऐसे करके हंसना पड़ा
वो
उसको.
फेक स्माइल तो देना
वो
है।
फेक स्माइल.
I felt bad when Behrman also retired because उसका क्वाली में उसका क्रैश हुआ था नहीं FP3 या क्वाली में कोई तो भी एक इसमें क्रैश हुआ
Oh,
था.
sorry. Talking about collies, I mean, I think Monaco is the only place where collies.
Dude, the last 5 minutes where Leclerc got a provisional post
वापस.
and like he got a provisional pole, then Max and then Kimi just taking all of them, bro. Mad driving.
Dude, I think Q3 के like the first run में था वो, but और या तो Q2 में था, but the difference between Kimi and Max was I don't even know how to say 0.0001.
negligible.
It just I think it was Q3 के first run में. But that's how close they were, which is why I'm sad that Max couldn't start because I still wanted to see it. They
And
were
at this point, Racing Bulls are doing so well, dude. Arvid, Liam Lawson was P5, Arvid was P6.
Only team to have both drivers without a penalty or DNF. This race.
race.
And Alex Albon came P8. Again, because of all the fuckery also that happened.
Yeah.
Esteban Ocon came P9, which is
Okay,
great
बचे
without any fucking penalties.
I felt bad for Hülkenberg because I was like, he could have also
उसको
have gotten
फालतू में
points.
10 सेकंड का ये मिल
उसको
गया यार.
फालतू में मिला क्योंकि ये रसल ने हगा.
Yeah.
And मतलब even if you see that video of him taking the hairpin, he's already on the inside line.
Yeah.
And you can't go anywhere from the inside line. And then I think Sainz's point was that he'll put his axle before him and वो बहुत अंदर आ गया and then वो touch हुआ. And the funniest part is वो वहाँ से निकला, Sainz को कॉलापिंटो ने भी ठोक दिया बाद
Yeah.
में.
I know.
Which is just stupid.
Sainz को बस
That's how he
ठोके जा रहे थे
got.
लोग.
That's how he got the DNF. उसका पूरा
Yeah.
कार अल्टी पल्टी हो गया भाई.
Yeah.
सोच रहा हर टर्न पे कोई आके ठोके जा रहा है देखो बस.
नसीब ही खराब है. Otherwise, he would have landed in points.
Yeah,
He would
they
have-
could
he
also
would
have
have-
double points because
Yeah,
they were
exactly.
pretty safe there. But sad.
Because Albon P8 पे था और ये P10 पे था.
तो वेट ऑडी को कोई भी पॉइंट्स मिले कि नहीं मिले?
Today, no.
नहीं,
Bortoleto
Bortoleto
DNF.
को भी नहीं मिला रहा.
Bortoleto तो DNF हो गया था.
और Hülkenberg
नहीं
को
नहीं Bortoleto DNF नहीं हुआ.
sorry, then I'm mixing
Bortoleto
it.
came P11.
P11. So just
And-
outside points.
Nico
bad.
P13.
Yeah.
Wait,
But they
P11
drove really
अच्छा हाँ
well,
पेरेस का नीचे हो गया हाँ ठीक है
Like all the
उसको
midfield
false start
cars,
का penalty मिला ना.
yeah.
midfield cars did really well. Just to like keep their cars intact and on track and just race.
But I'm glad Monaco is over because
You
I
know, while
don't like the
playing
race.
the track now, I've gotten a little better.
Yeah?
Yeah. I've understood the science behind it.
What is the science behind it?
It's you let go of your throttle 50 meters before. I mean, like that happens in a lot of things, but Monaco is like a good place to let go of the throttle and then brake and keep letting it go. I'll
Oh.
teach you.
What if all the assists are on?
My all assists are off.
I
Please,
know.
Govind. Stop talking like a pussy.
all of my assists are on. No,
मेरे सारे assists बंद
मेरे
हैं.
सारे ऑन नहीं है बट लाइक तो मोस्टली तो ऑन है
Yeah.
मैं उसके बिना मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगा भाई मैं उतना पहुंचा नहीं हूं अब तक
Yeah. Shall we get to our...
I have
प्रेडिक्शन
some random stats though.
Yeah, please go for
मैंने
it.
बहुत मेहनत करके लिखा
अरे
था ये
अरे
सब.
प्लीज भाई please.
Also, please don't jinx Kimmy's wins.
Oh no,
Please.
I want him to win. I want him to honestly overtake Max's 10 wins. I want him to win at least 11. That's it. One more and that'll be enough for me.
Yeah.
Because imagine 19-year-old. I mean, तब तक वो 20 हो जाएगा, but still 20-year-old fucking doing that. I want that, dude.
Insane.
Yeah.
You know what I want and what we want is you to buy tickets on Book My Show.
Let's go!
On 14th
Guys.
of June,
Yes.
बार्सिलोना GP हम लोग कर रहे हैं.
Yes.
So please guys,
Guys,
आइए.
I refreshed again और अभी भी नहीं बढ़ा है. I know तुम लोग तक ये एपिसोड पहुंचा नहीं अब तक मगर
We have some early birds left and we have the rest of the ticket. अगर like touchwood अगर sold out भी हो गया, you can get tickets on the spot
At the venue,
at the
yeah.
gate at Quarterpillar Car West, and also just like we also want to wish Dipesh a very happy birthday. The owner of Quarterpillar who has
Belated
given
happy
up
birthday.
belated happy birthday to Dipesh. Please comments में लिख देना HBD Dipesh ताकि वो
worries.
हमें यहाँ से निकाले नहीं.
Now, random stats. You know how F1 makes a poster for every race, right?
yeah.
All the people on the poster for Monaco 2026 didn't score anything.
What do you mean?
They didn't score points.
Oh, okay.
Because it was, I think it was Max, it was Lando, and it was Charles.
Oh.
So didn't score any points. हाँ ये सबका है मेरे पास.
Oh man, bro. But okay, I like. Do they just randomly pick people?
I think they
or,
just pick people.
or did they pick people who live in Monaco?
Everyone lives in
No, I think
That's
all
true.
past Monaco race winners.
हो सकता है.
जिन्होंने
Oh,
जीता है.
probably.
Yeah.
नहीं, but हर रेस में बस random 3 जन रहते
Mostly
हैं.
it's I think it's a mix of past winners, home races.
Past winners अरे last year शायद से लैंडो जीता.
नहीं I'm saying generally also past winners, home races वैसा भी हो सकता है क्योंकि technically Charles का home race था तो he can also come. Another stat, this is the first race since 2018 Hungary where Max, Charles, Lando and Russell haven't scored a point.
What?
Yeah.
Oh shit, dude.
4 of them haven't scored a point.
I shit mate.
Ay, diabolical, mate.
First podium featuring none of them since 2022 British GP, which was Sainz, Perez and Hamilton.
What the?
So from 2022, one of these 4 have always been on a podium.
What the fuck, dude? I didn't even think about that.
Yeah, and now Kimi क्या ये कौन सा था? हाँ, Kimi is winning one race behind George Russell for his all-time record, dude. George Russell is in his entire career has won 6 races.
What?
Kimi has won 5 already.
Oh, for some reason I thought George Russell had won.
Same,
like,
same.
अरे
A
वो
little more.
third.
He was consistently like on podiums, but he didn't win. And he just overtook Sainz in all career wins.
I
Sainz
don't
has
know
4
how I
career
feel about
wins,
that, but yeah, okay. Great.
which is also insane. This I think is the most insane stat in all of this. Hadjar became the first Red Bull driver since 2022 Singapore GP to reach the podium without Max.
That's 3.3 years, 6 months.
Oh
Yeah.
my god.
Matlab, since 2022, if there's a second Red Bull driver on the podium, Max has also been on the podium, which shows how great Max also is.
Yeah, dude.
तुमको खराब गाड़ी बनाना पड़ा तो कॉम्पिटिशन आउट करने के लिए.
It's insane, dude. Like, again, whoever says whatever, but these stats like
Me, I'm saying whatever about
speak
Max.
for themselves, dude.
Yeah,
Like,
I speak
he's-
for myself when
Yeah.
I say I'm actually I don't even care. I realize something. I'm only hating on Max to get that one person's comment.
तू कर ले अपना.
No,
तू-
no,
तू कर
to
ले
get that one person's comment in our under our video where he just hates, he or she just hates me, and I just want to continue our
I
relationship.
didn't know your father watches our YouTube channel.
No, whoever you are, whoever hates me
We
for
miss
hating
you.
Max, please come back, okay? I only hate Max for you now. I don't even care that much about hating.
So coming to predictions and fantasies,
Predictions में Instagram और YouTube किसी ने
I
भी
don't
सही नहीं
think
बोला.
anyone.
I don't think
Dude,
anyone.
it was
Which is
very
not surprising.
It's very funny because a lot of those predictions, half of those people didn't finish the race
Yeah.
only.
Yeah.
So,
and coming
And
to
no, like just one person got Hajar P3 right.
oh, someone had
which is
predicted
you have to be
Hajar
very delusional to be
Yes.
like Hajar
Hajar
P3.
P3.
But
Yes.
coming to our predictions, you predicted Kimi, Russell, Leclerc. You just got Kimi right.
Yeah.
You predicted Russell, Kimi, Norris. तो मतलब टेक्निकली तेरे को कुछ भी नहीं आया. I got the most predictions right because I predicted Kimi, Hamilton, Russell.
Oh.
So I was very close, but I got 2 right. You predicted Leclerc, Kimi, and Norris. Which
Come on, man.
again. But coming to fantasy, this has been very exciting because I'm very excited.
I know Yash ko come points with
Wait. We'll go with the obvious first. Shetty
Shetty.
is leading. You took McLaren, you took Kimi, and you took Hadjar. Luckily, all of them scored points. You are at 320. Congratulations. Now that we have addressed the elephant in the room, now us 3. That's the interesting part.
Yeah.
Who do
not
you want
this.
to go? Do you want to go second in the standings? Or do you want to go last in the standings?
Last.
Okay.
Last.
So, Yash, you took Ferrari, you took Max, and you took Colapinto. Ferrari got 18 points because Leclerc got out. So Hamilton ने तो 18 पॉइंट दिला दिया. And
Thank
Max
you,
0 and Colapinto 0. You are at 160. Congratulations.
Congrats, Yash.
From
Sure.
142 you went to 160, which is
That's not bad.
yes.
Yeah.
It's a little bad, but it's not too
So
bad.
first, fourth, now going third.
I'm fourth.
Yeah.
Yeah, fourth.
तेरे को क्या लगा? Second ही है, last है.
I know I'm third.
It's okay. You are third.
Yeah, I knew I'm
Of course.
third. I saw. Man.
You took Red Bull, Russell, and Lawson. Red Bull got you 15 points. Lawson
Oh, you
got
got
you 10.
points.
I got Lawson.
You got
brother.
all points.
No,
No,
Russell.
Russell is
अच्छा, हाँ,
out.
sorry.
I thought Russell will give me some points, but chutta sala.
Done.
But
So-
Lawson got me points.
Yeah. So with 144 and 15 and 10, you are at 169. Congratulations.
Who fucking knew, man?
I had a great week, so I'm very happy. I took Mercedes, I took Hamilton, and I took Gasly. All 3 got
Oh
points.
my god.
Only we 3 had all 3 drivers who got
Nice.
points. So
you to me now.
leave
तेरा
that.
कितना point है?
So with my 142, which was previous 25, 18, and 6, I'm at 191.
Nice.
I got
So it's 320, 191, 169, and 160.
I got a.
So-
Oh, I'm 9 points behind you.
Yes.
Oh, डर मत भाई मैं आगे बढ़ने वाला हूँ.
So Hamilton overcame P2 in championship also in drivers, and because of him, I also came
Wait,
second.
I'm opening
Nice.
all the
Which is
drivers
good.
and all so that I can pick.
I've chosen mine. पहले prediction बता दे. तू
हाँ.
prediction बता रहा है?
Prediction.
For next Barcelona.
Barcelona.
अच्छा हाँ.
Barcelona. बता. Prediction कोई भी बता सकता है.
प्रोडक्शन मैं बताता हूँ. मेरा रहेगा किमी,
हाँ.
किमी, हैमिल्टन
Kimi, Hamilton,
और नॉरिस.
Hamilton or Norris. Norris में, you know right, Norris had 2 mechanical failures and 1 DNS before that.
भाई उसने कनाडा भी खत्म नहीं किया था.
ये ऐसा करता है. रिस्क ना प्रेडिक्शन में लेता है जहाँ पे हम लोग का कुछ है नहीं. फिर फैंटेसी में सेफ प्ले
हाँ,
करता
चल
है.
ठीक है.
फिर
चल.
फैंटेसी में सेफ प्ले
बता
करता है.
बता. Prediction बता.
साला तेरा गेम नहीं समझ आता है क्या मेरे को साले.
चल prediction बता.
ओके एंटोनेली.
Kimi.
मेरा लिख ले.
नहीं रुकना. अरे
Kimi,
मैं बोल
Max,
रहा हूँ भाई.
Hamilton.
हाँ, रुक
मैं
बोल.
बोल
अबे
रहा
तू
हूँ.
10 घंटा लेता है
मेरे को
गांडू.
बोलने तो दे. अबे 1 सेकंड पेशेंस नहीं है भाई. रुकना. तेरा गला साले और भी तोड़ दूंगा. रुक. अच्छा
चलो. Kimi.
सॉरी.
It's funny. I
Kimi,
can't laugh.
Russell and Hamilton.
Ooh.
Let's see.
Double Mercedes.
Yeah.
Okay. चल.
Been a while.
तू बता.
Kimi, Max, Hamilton.
Kimi,
Max, Hamilton.
Hamilton. Okay. Just because everyone has taken Kimi, I won't take Kimi. I'll put Kimi P2. Just
We're breaking a streak.
I don't want it to break. I'm just doing it for funsies
Okay.
because everyone went with Kimi. I'm going to go Max P1 and I'll go George P3.
Who's P2?
Kimi.
Kimi. Oh yeah, sorry.
Cool.
Yeah.
So just to again reiterate, Kimi Russell Hamilton, Kimi Hamilton Norris, Max Kimi Russell, and Kimi Max Hamilton.
Nice.
Cool. Now fantasy. Batao.
You start.
I start.
Yeah. Last
I'm going
is
to go
shit.
with Mercedes as team.
You're going with Mercedes as
Yeah.
team.
I'll take. I think I'm going to take Hadjar as my second driver.
Uh-huh.
I'll take Leclerc. I'll take a risk.
Oh.
Me?
Yeah.
Bull.
Ferrari,
Yeah.
Kimi,
you
ekdam-
really need
ekdam
those
safe.
points.
and can I take Gasly?
Gasly ले सकता है.
I can
Gasly
take
is like,
Gasly, no?
हाँ.
Gasly.
अभी अगले इसमें DNF हो गया ना ये तो क्या रोएगा यश तू.
अरे हारा.
मैं रो ही रहा हूँ वैसे भी अभी भी.
हाँ. बताओ.
ठीक है, मेरा है McLaren obviously.
Okay, you still have hope. मतलब टेक्निकली मतलब if you just see stats wise then you're playing.
तू उसको टिप्स मत दे. तू बोल अपना.
No, McLaren. Why won't they
ठीक
get
है
points?
ठीक है ठीक है.
They'll
Sure.
get points. I don't want them to win.
जो जिसको बोलने का बोलो.
हाँ ठीक है
I
ठीक है
don't.
ठीक है ठीक
I
है.
don't need them
गांडू
to
उसके
win.
कान में भर मत.
I don't
तू
need
कर
them to
अपना.
win. I just need points.
Okay, go for it, go for it.
And I'm going with Hamilton.
Okay.
Okay. I'm going with Behrman.
Okay.
Let's see.
अगला DNF हुआ था याद है ना?
अरे यार देखने दे.
मेरा-
This is I take risks
मैंने
यार.
भी gas ले लिया,
मैं
तो
शेट्टी
okay.
जैसे नहीं है. मैं रिस्क लेता
मेरा
हूँ.
टीम है रेसिंग बुल्स.
विकार.
हाँ. और मेरा ड्राइवर नंबर 1 है लियम लॉसन.
ओह.
See, okay. finish.
Okay.
और
चल.
मेरा ड्राइवर नंबर 2 है पियर गैसली.
गैसली
ले
लिया
लिया,
उसने. यश ने गैसली लिया.
गैसली लिया ना उसने. मेरा ड्राइवर नंबर 2 है फिर
तू कॉम्पेंसेट कर रहा है ना?
नहीं रुक ना खत्म.
तू ले तेरे को जो ले चाहिए ले.
PSG.
PSG. चल ठीक है.
Okay. You know what he's doing? अब इतना आगे लीड बन गया ना इसका.
Now he's closing the gap.
like मैं तो अब कुछ भी लेता हूँ यार. मैं तो ऐसे ही हूँ.
Yeah.
साला. अब ऐसा लगेगा कि वाह शेट्टी रिस्क तो लेता है. After reaching 320 points.
320 भी नहीं भाई 360 पे है कुछ वो.
अब तेरे को ना 0 points मिलने चाहिए.
लौड़े.
0.
भाई
You'll still be ahead
Shetty is
only.
at
I know but 3-4
Yeah.
बार ऐसे हो जाए हम कैच अप कर लेंगे ना.
Shetty is 320.
हाँ वही ना 320 बोल रहा हूँ.
क्या ठीक है भाई.
नहीं हारने दे इसको. 2-3 हारेगा हम पहुंच जाएंगे भाई. डर मत तो.
अभी नेक्स्ट एपिसोड होने वाला है लाइव. अभी एक्साइटेड.
एपिसोड्स एवरी वेडनेसडे रात को 9 से 10 के बीच में आएगा एपिसोड हम लोगों का. और हम लोग को प्लीज इंस्टाग्राम पे फॉलो करो ड्राइवर्स टू सर्वाइव.
10,000 फॉलोअर्स कर दो.
Please,
और
yes.
फिर
चाय समोसा.
तुम सबको हम थैंक्स
दुआएं
बोलेंगे.
हमारी.
नहीं एक्चुअली
हम
चाय
थैंक्स
समोसा
बोलेंगे.
और
क्या चाय
बहुत-
कितने
बहुत
10,000
महंगा हो
लोगों को
जाएगा.
चाय देगा तू?
नहीं बहुत महंगा हो जाएगा. सॉरी.
और गाइज प्लीज टिकट्स खरीदो. 14 जून को क्वार्टरपिलर खार में हम लोग
Tickets.
बार्सिलोना जीपी जो है लाइव करने वाले. सो प्लीज बाय टिकट्स ऑन बुक माई शो.
Guys,
हमारे लिंक में भी होगा.
The second you buy it मैं रिफ्रेश कर दिया रहूंगा. तो प्लीज कर दो. अब मैं वापस रिफ्रेश किया हूँ नहीं हुआ है.
ये हाथ देखो हाथ देखो.
If y'all don't buy tickets, Govind is going to go on 24-hour live stream. Refreshing till
Just refreshing. Just
refreshing till we sell one more ticket.
just I'm still refreshing. Please.
Yes.
But
मेरे को
yes,
थोड़ा
yes.
डोपामिन हिट दे दो. If nothing else थोड़ा डोपामिन हिट अच्छा लगता है
प्लीज
ना
गाइस
ऐसा.
टिकट्स खरीद लो गाइस.
This is the first live we are doing of this season.
Yeah.
Last year we did Abu
Abu
Dhabi.
Dhabi last. Abu
We
Dhabi
did
last.
Singapore,
Netherlands,
Spa,
Vanderwood.
and yeah.
Zandvoort.
So it was a lot of fun. We had fun.
मजा तो बहुत आया था.
वैंडरवुड बोलो. जैंडवुड
तू क्या बोला?
वैंडरवुड.
चले
We
यार
have-
Shetty. तू ब्लैक मार्कर बोलता है. No problem.
हम लोग ये
We all
सब
love
लाइव
you.
करते हैं. प्लस वी हैव ट्रिविया दैट वी डू एंड इट्स अ लॉट ऑफ फन. देन वी वॉच द रेस टुगेदर एंड देन वी डू अनदर सिट डाउन सेशन विद
We
ऑल ऑफ
laugh,
y'all.
we eat, we drink.
Please be
we
sure
make
you are-
merry. Guys, please make sure you're of legal drinking age
Yes.
to come. Okay.
Because
That's
we are
it.
doing this at Quarter Pillar, which is a bar.
Yes.
And thank you to Caterpillar, yeah.
Thank you, yeah.
Thank you, yeah.
For all the support and love that they've shown us.
Yeah, this is
for
the
2
second season here,
seasons.
and it's surprising we're still here.
Yeah, chalo, thank you.
Awesome.
Jao.
So we'll see you all for Barcelona Grand Prix.
Yes.
Videos will be out every Wednesday after the race weekend. And thank you so much for liking, sharing, subscribing, and follow us on Instagram and share it with your friends. But till then, Govin Menon, Siddharth Shetty, Vivian Castellino, Yash Parse, thank you so much for watching Drivers to
Noodles
Survive.
and noodles.
We will see you all next race.
Bye.
Mwah.
Bye.